Itinanggi rin ni John na nagkaroon na ng lamat ang pagkakaibigan nila ni Tony.
Ay, sa amin naman ni Tony, as in wala naman mababago eh. Like yung family namin, never naman siya nasama sa issue. Siyempre, hindi niya ako tinawagan, and hindi ko rin siya tinawagan until now. Kasi, siyempre, gusto namin mag-usap kami personal, diba? So, we're looking forward to it. Yeah, I miss Tony. And when we see each other, I think I'm just gonna hug her.
Para kina Tony at Direk Paul, may mensaheng gustong iparating si John.
You know, Tony, that I'm always here for you. Alam naman natin yung friendship natin is talagang malalim. And my family loves you also. Ganun pa rin yan, walang pagbabago. Tomorrow, I'm gonna see you and I'm gonna see you. Yun lang, I'm gonna see her. And I'm looking forward na magkita tayo at makipagtsikahan na ang Direk Paul. Well, ina-accept namin. We accept your apology. And, kumbaga, ang sa akin na lang ngayon, just take good care of my best friend. And I'm sure you'll do. At, yun lang, keep loving Tony. So, sobrang amazing yung tao niya.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, John, for granting the scoop. Yes, and to John, if you're watching right now, from the bottom of my heart, I really, really miss you. And I love you. Nothing's changed. You're still my best friend. See, ang ganda-ganda ng message na yan. I love it. You're amazing daw talaga, Tony. You're also amazing.